Hey everyone, the Asus Tianxuan 7 Pro arrives as a gaming laptop that focuses on balancing premium gaming performance with a relatively clean and portable design. Instead of pushing into the oversized desktop replacement category, Asus seems to be aiming for users who want strong next-generation hardware in a machine that still feels practical for everyday use. With Intel's latest Core Ultra 200HX processors and Nvidia RTX 50 series graphics, the laptop positions itself as a serious contender for gamers, creators, and power users who need modern AI-assisted features alongside high refresh rate gaming performance. At first glance, the Asus Tianxuan 7 Pro carries the familiar gaming DNA that Asus has refined over the years, but it avoids becoming overly aggressive or flashy. That balance is important because many high-end gaming laptops sacrifice portability in exchange for cooling and wattage headroom, while the Tianxuan 7 Pro attempts to maintain both. The centerpiece of the laptop is clearly its performance hardware. The entry configurations with the Intel Core Ultra 7 251HX paired with an RTX 5060 already look capable enough for demanding modern gaming at high settings. However, the higher-end models, equipped with the Core Ultra 9 290HX Plus and RTX 5070, are where the laptop truly begins to show its enthusiast ambitions. One of the more interesting additions is Intel's integrated NPU, which handles AI-related background tasks more efficiently. While AI acceleration still feels like an evolving feature in many consumer laptops, it is becoming increasingly relevant for content creation tools, video enhancements, productivity software, and even gaming optimizations. Gaming performance should be especially impressive thanks to Nvidia's RTX 5060 and RTX 5070 graphics options. Both GPUs come with 8 gigs of GDDR7 memory and operate at up to 115 watts, which suggests Asus is not heavily restricting GPU power. Many thin gaming laptops throttle graphics performance to control heat, but the Tianxuan 7 Pro appears to provide enough thermal and power headroom to let the GPUs perform properly. The display is another major strength of the machine. Asus equips the Tianxuan 7 Pro with a 16-inch 2560 by 1600 panel using a 16:10 aspect ratio. The 300 Hz refresh rate immediately signals that Asus is targeting competitive gamers who value ultra-smooth motion and responsiveness. The 500 nit brightness level should provide strong visibility indoors and decent usability in brighter environments. Battery life is often a compromise on gaming laptops, but the 90 watt-hours battery should provide decent endurance for lighter workloads, such as browsing, media playback, or office tasks. Heavy gaming will still require the charger, but support for 100-watt USB-C charging adds convenience when traveling. Overall, the Asus Tianxuan 7 Pro feels like a well-balanced modern gaming laptop that understands what today's users actually want. It combines high refresh gaming capabilities, strong creator-focused display quality, modern AI-assisted hardware, respectable portability, and solid connectivity without becoming excessively bulky. Rather than chasing extreme specifications at the cost of practicality, Asus seems to have focused on delivering a machine that can comfortably handle gaming, productivity, and creative workloads in equal measure. For users looking for a next-generation Intel and RTX 50 series gaming laptop that blends performance with versatility, the Tianxuan 7 Pro looks like one of the more appealing options in its category. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.